Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today and in this video I'll explain to you in a very easy method how to use EndNote version X9 to manage references in scientific articles. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button, and also you can share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. For example, I'm writing a paper and I would like to add the reference to my paper. I mean reference from different parts of my paper. First of all, I need to install EndNote. I've already installed EndNote version X9. When you install EndNote on your PC or laptop and you open the Word file, you can find it here, EndNote X9. In next step, I need to press the Go to EndNote. In this case, I will go to EndNote. I mean, I can open the EndNote. First of all, I need to make a library. And for this purpose, I go to File and New. And I would like to have my library in the same folder that I have my Word file. And I name my library, for example, my paper. Something like this, and save. So, I made the library. Now let's go back again to my Word file. For example, at the end of first paragraph, I mean here, I would like to add reference number 1. First of all, I need to copy the reference number 1. Here, I copy reference number 1. Copy. Now, I need to open the Google Scholar. I go to Google Scholar and paste it in Google Scholar. And now search. So here you can see the reference number 1, and I click on Cite button, and then I press the EndNote, and I save the file. So now I need to go to download folder, and here you can see the file. I click on this file, and when I click on this file, spontaneously it will transfer to my library. And here you can see it in my library, reference number 1. Now I would like to, and now let's go back again to my Word file. For example, I would like to have a reference number 1 at the end of first paragraph. I mean here. I need to click here. Now I go to EndNote, I go to my library, and I select the reference number 1. And I click on Cite button. Now I have reference number 1 here. And also at the end, you can find reference number 1. Now suppose for first paragraph, I used 2 references, number 1 and number 2. Again, I need to do the same procedure for reference number 2. I mean, I need to copy it and paste in Google Scholar here. And again, click on Cite button, EndNote, OK, and let's go again to download folder. You can find it here. And again, I click on new file. Again, it will go to my library. Now I have 2 references, reference number 1 and reference number 2. And let's go back again to my Word file. I would like to have reference number 2 here. I mean, I need to click here. And I select it here again. I mean, it was reference number 2. And click on Cite button. And now I have references number 1 and number 2 for first paragraph. And also at the end of this text, you can find both of them. What question is here? Now, for example, for second paragraph. For second paragraph, again, I used a reference number 2. I mean, I want to use reference number 2 here. Again, I need to click here. I don't need to copy and paste it in Google Scholar and download it because I have it. I only need to go to I need to go to my library. I'm in here, select it and press the side button. And you can find it, reference number 2 here. And reference number 1, number 2. And let's delete all of the references. For example, I used 2 references for this part. Now I would like to have it in the format of a journal. What should we do? We need to go to here, style. We need to select the journal, I mean the desired journal that we want to submit it in. For example, I would like here, I need to select another style. For example, I would like to have it in the format of a chemistry journal. I need to select it here and OK. Now it's in the format of chemistry journal. You can find it, new references, and also here. Sometimes you cannot find the format of your desired journal. What should you do? You need to go to a journal website and download the format and bring it here, and then you can have it in the format of your desired journal. For example, now you submit this paper to a journal, to chemistry journal, now it's rejected, and now you would like to submit it to another journal. It's not difficult at all. You only need to select format of your new journal. It's very fast. In less than 5 seconds, you can have your paper in the format of new journal. I hope you found this video useful. If you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.